Hey there, mind detectives. Feeling heartbroken? Just got dumped and left wondering, what did I do wrong? Well, grab a tissue, ditch the self-pity party, because today we're turning the tables. Let's face it, breakups suck. They sting, they confuse, and sometimes they make you question your entire existence. But before you spiral into a Netflix binge-worthy emotional breakdown, let's explore a strategy that can actually benefit you in the long run. We're talking about making your ex regret dumping you. That's right, mind detectives. We're going to unlock the secrets to transforming your heartbreak into a powerful motivator for both personal growth and, potentially, rekindling that lost spark. Now, before we dive in, let's be clear. This isn't about manipulation or forcing a relationship. This is about reclaiming your power, becoming the best version of yourself, and sending a clear message. You deserve more. Step 1. Embrace the upgrade. Think of this as a chance to hit the reset button. Pour that energy you use to crave their attention into self-improvement. Hit the gym, take that pottery class, master that language app you downloaded a year ago. Physical transformation can boost your confidence dramatically, but don't neglect your mental and emotional well-being. Read books, practice mindfulness, or explore new hobbies to enrich your inner world. Step 2. Reactivate your social life. Remember all those nights spent glued to your couch waiting for a text? Dust off your old invitation list and reconnect with friends and family. Surround yourself with positive energy and a support system that reminds you of your worth. Laughter, shared experiences, and genuine connections will not only lift your spirits, but also expand your world. Step 3. Level up your grind. Focus on your career goals. Take on new challenges at work or explore a side hustle you've been putting off. Success is the ultimate form of revenge, and when your ex sees you thriving, it might just spark a little regret. But more importantly, achieving your professional goals will bring a sense of accomplishment and independence that's incredibly empowering. Step 4. Give back. Volunteering your time to a cause you care about can be incredibly fulfilling. It shifts your focus from your personal situation to something bigger than yourself. Plus, helping others can boost your mood and give you a new perspective on life. Step 5. Explore the world. Whether it's a weekend getaway or a long-awaited international trip, experiencing new cultures and places can broaden your horizons and create unforgettable memories. It's a fantastic way to step outside your comfort zone and discover hidden passions. Step 6. Cultivate self-love. This is perhaps the most important step. It's easy to get caught up in the pain of a breakup and forget to prioritize your own happiness. Spend time alone, reflect on your strengths, practice self-care, and learn to love yourself unconditionally. This newfound self-love will radiate outward and attract positive people and experiences into your life. Remember, the ultimate goal isn't to make your ex regret their decision, but to become the best version of yourself. By focusing on personal growth, building strong connections, and cultivating self-love, you'll not only emerge from the heartbreak stronger, but also create a fulfilling and meaningful life. Who knows? Maybe you'll move on and find someone who truly appreciates the amazing person you are? But even if rekindling the flame isn't in the cards, you'll emerge from this stronger, more confident, and ready for whatever life throws your way. So, keep your head up, mind detectives. Remember, breakups can be blessings in disguise. Now get out there and show the world, and maybe your ex, what you're truly made of. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more mind-blowing relationship insights, and leave a comment below sharing your best post-breakup self-improvement tips. See you next time.